And we're getting you some breaking news at this point in time from the state of Maharashtra. Shivaji statue collapses in Sindhudurg is concerned. The Maha Vikas Aghadi up the ante against Mahayuti government. Top MVA netas hit the street. Maha Vikas Aghadi calls for Malwan Bandh against the collapse. Uddhav Sena versus Narayan Rane supporters. Both factions clash outside the Rajkot fort. Aditya Thackeray reaches the protest site. Narayan Rane detained by cops. Well, that is the big breaking news getting you at this point in time coming in from the state of Maharashtra. The politics over the Shivaji statue collapse is far from over. Remember, the Shivaji statue collapsed in Sindhudurg, but right now the Maha Vikas Aghadi has decided to up the ante against the Mahayuti government.
Kesarkar says Maharashtra Ministry that will build a bigger statue akin to Statue of Liberty.
Which means bigger funds for him.
So basically, Siddharth, I'll show you what exactly is happening here. There is Narayan Rane supporters who have blocked the way of Aditya Thackeray. They're not letting him go from here. It is kind of a stalemate or a tense situation that has developed over here. The supporters of Narayan Rane are raising slogans against Aditya Thackeray. Aditya Thackeray supporters are next to him. You can see how it has become very tense over here. You can see these are the supporters of Mr. Narayan Rane and his son Nilesh Rane is also present over here. They are complaining that they are not being let inside the Rajkot fort. You can see there away at some distance is standing Narayan Rane as well. He's standing over there. His son basically is engaging in a tussle with the security officials. What exactly is happening is Aditya Thackeray supporters are saying that they had proper permission from the cops to come over here. You can see this is Nilesh Rane as well, who's the son of Narayan Rane. It's kind of a very tense situation. You can see how they are beating each other here. The situation has basically gone out of hand. Very unfortunate. At the very Rajkot fort, supporters of Mr. Aditya Thackeray and of Uddhav Thackeray are being beaten up by the BJP workers who have gathered here. It's a very tense situation that has engulfed the entire Rajkot fort, the same place where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue had collapsed 2 days back. And now you can see how some supporters basically are engaging in a fist fight at the abuses being hurled from one side to another. This is Malwan, this is Sindhudurg, the southernmost tip of Maharashtra. You can say Narayan Rane can be seen in the visuals. He is basically waiting for his turn to reach the Rajkot fort. Abuses being hurled from the side of the BJP, as well as similar kind of abuses being hurled from be shot back from Aditya Thackeray's supporters side as well.